Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D Tech, and this is the GEYER multi-port power strip with two USB ports. These are for charging any device, and overall this is a really sleek and compact power strip, but it has a really low cost and it still looks really great. So let's check it closely. This is the wall plug, cable end, and okay, here you can see all the specs on this paper here. This came with no leaflet, and here we have a switch. Oh, and this has a really nice feeling and a clicky touch to it. Now the cable is 1.5 meters long. That's okay. You might need an extension cable here. Perhaps GEYER has another version with a longer cable, but I'm not aware of it right now. This power strip is of round shape and somewhat aesthetically pleasing, and this red ring really stands out. Now this roller for the cable is something that you can wall mount here. I guess this will have the main body not being centered, but this is a great feature that makes the cable being at the desired length and rollable. Actually, you can roll it up like that and lock it with this plastic here. This might come really handy. Overall, the build quality is not the greatest. It's some cheap ABS plastic, but I really like the switch here. So let's juice it up and check the LED indication of the switch. Well, the cable should be longer. Okay, so let's power it up. Well, this red LED surely is really subtle, and I really like the aesthetic of it. To sum up, this is a legit product. So feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.